Pray my brother is blessed. Praying for enough. Pray that Julia wins. Pray I judge nobody and forgive me my sins. I pray we make it. Pray my friend to pull through. Pray as I take it, unto others I do. Praying on your love, we pray with every breath. Though I'm in the valley of the shadow of death. And so we pray for someone to come and show me the way. And so we pray for some shelter and some records to play. And so we pray, we'll be singing para, yeah. Pray that we make it to the end of the day. And so we pray, I know somewhere that heaven is waiting. And so we pray, I know somewhere there's something amazing. And so we pray, I know somewhere we'll feel no pain until we make it to the end of the day.
I pray that love will shelter us from our fears. Oh, I pray you trust to let me wipe off your tears. Confront all the pain that we felt inside, with all the cards we've been dealt in life. Pray I speak my truth and keep my sisters alive. So for the ones who parted seas, for the ones who's following dreams, for the ones who knock down doors and allowed us to pass down keys. Pray that we speak with a tongue that is honest and that we understand how to be modest. Pray when she looks at herself in the mirror, she sees a queen, she sees a goddess.
And so we pray for someone to come and show me the way. And so we pray for some shelter and some records to play. And so we pray, we'll be singing para, yeah. Pray that we make it to the end of the day. And so we pray, I know somewhere that heaven is waiting. And so we pray, I know somewhere there's something amazing. And so we pray, I know somewhere we'll feel no pain until we make it to the end of the day. On my knees, I pray as I sleep and wake. Cause inside my head is a frightening place. Keep a smiling face only by this grace. Cause love's more than I can take, yeah. And so we pray. And so we pray. And so we pray. We'll be singing Barbara, yeah. Till nobody's in need and everybody can sing.
Hey gang, I hope you enjoyed that flow session with these brand new NG Programmable Poi from Ignis Pixel. And as I discovered in preparation for making this video, they actually have a US-based distributor. So you actually still have time to order a set of these if you live in the United States and have them arrive in time for Christmas. So if you have a flow artist on your Christmas list who would like a set of Programmable Poi, these might be a good option for you. If you do order a set, please use the promo code DrexFactor. That is just DrexFactor, no special characters, over at ignispixel.com. That'll get you a discount on your order and it helps out the channel so everybody wins. Thank you so much to Ignis Pixel for sponsoring this video. And yes, dear friends, there will be a review on these coming in the new year. So go ahead and be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, I do have to give a quick thank you to the friends of the channel. That is, big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecha, Flowfests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and Ultra Poi for helping to sponsor the videos that you see on this channel and make them possible. You can learn more about all of these amazing companies by checking out the links that I have down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, that is Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. And of course, this video and all the videos on this channel would not be possible without my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you so much, you all rock. And if you out there watching are not currently a supporter, but you like the content that I produce and you'd like to see more of it, the best way to facilitate more of that coming your way is to go and sign up. Head on over to my Patreon at patreon.com/DrexFactor Poi. There you can get access to a whole host of amazing rewards, but even better than that, you'll be helping me out in my mission to bring poi spinning and flow arts to the whole wide world. So go check that out, please and thank you. If you want to check out more of my sponsored flow sessions, I will include a link to a playlist of those videos down in the description as well as up on screen. For right now though, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to get out and flow yourself today, and I'll see you with a new video very, very soon. Take care. Peace.